What if the way you're eating your eggs is missing one simple addition that could better support your heart and improve blood flow over time? Not a supplement, not a trend. A basic, food-based combination doctors often recommend because of how it supports circulation at the cellular level. Before we get into the actionable steps, tell me where you're watching from. It shows how many men around the world are taking their health seriously. Tap like so we know this message is reaching the right people, and share it with one man who needs this guidance today. Most people focus on whether eggs are good or bad, but the real benefit comes from what you mix with them. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to add, how to prepare it, and why it helps your blood vessels work more efficiently. The answer is simple. Mix your eggs with garlic. Not just for flavor, for physiology. Garlic contains sulfur compounds like allicin that support nitric oxide activity. Nitric oxide is the molecule your blood vessels use to relax and widen, improving circulation and reducing strain on the heart. In clinical studies, regular garlic intake has been shown to improve vascular function and increase blood flow efficiency, with some trials reporting circulation improvements in the range of about 10 to 15% compared to baseline measures. Eggs provide high-quality protein and healthy fats that support cellular repair and energy metabolism, but they don't actively promote vessel relaxation on their own. Garlic fills that gap. So when you combine them, you're pairing structural support from eggs with circulation support from garlic. One helps build, the other helps flow. And heart health depends on both. Better circulation supports firmer erectile response, improved vascular elasticity, healthier arterial dilation, more efficient oxygen delivery, stronger peripheral blood flow, reduced endothelial stiffness, improved pelvic circulation, better nitric oxide signaling, and more consistent blood supply to reproductive tissues. Over time, this may contribute to improved erection sustainability, reduced vascular-related performance decline, and better responsiveness during arousal. Because erectile function is fundamentally a blood flow event, anything that supports vessel health, flow efficiency, and endothelial performance supports both heart health and sexual health together. So the next question becomes simple. How do you actually prepare this combination so you preserve the active compounds and get the full circulatory benefit from it? Let's walk through the exact step-by-step method, including timing, preparation, and the small mistakes that reduce its effectiveness. Here's how to do it correctly, because preparation, dosage, and context determine whether you get real vascular support or just a flavored breakfast. Start with fresh garlic, not pre-minced jar versions. Chop or crush 1 to 2 cloves and let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes before heating. This step matters because crushing activates an enzyme that helps form allicin, the compound linked to improved endothelial function and nitric oxide support. If garlic is heated immediately, that activation is reduced. Next, prepare your eggs the way you prefer: soft-boiled, poached, scrambled, or lightly pan-cooked, but keep the heat moderate. If you're cooking them in a pan, add the garlic during the final 30 to 60 seconds so it warms without prolonged frying, which helps preserve its active sulfur compounds. The type of fat used also matters. Cooking with stable options like olive oil, a small amount of butter, or avocado oil supports vascular health more than refined vegetable oils, which can increase oxidative stress and work against circulation benefits. For stronger synergy, the rest of the plate should support blood flow as well. Pairing the eggs and garlic with foods like leafy greens, tomatoes, or a small portion of whole carbohydrates supports nitric oxide production, vascular elasticity, and energy metabolism, while heavy fried sides or processed meats tend to increase inflammatory load and reduce the overall benefit. Portion size is simple. 1 to 2 cloves per serving is enough. More is not necessarily better and may only irritate digestion. The goal is repetition, not intensity. So using this combination 3 to 5 times per week supports steady vascular adaptation over time. Timing also plays a role. This combination works best in the morning or early afternoon, when circulation and metabolic responsiveness are naturally higher. For those focused on erectile support, consistency across weeks matters far more than using it right before intimacy. I once had a patient in his mid-50s who came in concerned about declining stamina, colder extremities, and inconsistent erectile firmness. His labs weren't alarming, but his lifestyle showed a pattern: sedentary routine, high stress, and meals that lacked vascular support nutrients,
We didn't start with medication. We started with structured food habits, including adding crushed garlic to his morning eggs several times per week and cleaning up the oils he was cooking with. After about a month, he reported subtle but meaningful changes: steadier morning energy, less fatigue during the day, and more consistent firmness. Nothing dramatic, just physiological improvement from consistent vascular support. That's typically how circulation responds, gradually, then reliably. Within 2 to 4 weeks of regular intake, many people begin to notice indirect signs of improved circulation, such as warmer hands and feet, steadier energy, better endurance, and more consistent morning firmness. These changes reflect improved blood flow efficiency rather than stimulation. Anyone taking blood thinners, managing bleeding conditions, or preparing for surgery should check with a medical professional before increasing garlic intake, since it has mild antiplatelet effects. The most common mistake is cooking garlic at high heat from the beginning, which destroys much of what makes it beneficial. The larger principle here isn't about a miracle food, it's about daily endothelial support. Circulation, including erectile function, depends on vessel flexibility, nitric oxide signaling, and lower inflammatory load, and this routine helps reinforce all three when practiced consistently. If this kind of explanation helps you understand what's actually happening inside your body, not just what to eat, stay with me. Because there's one common cooking mistake that quietly cancels most of these circulation benefits, and most people don't even realize they're making it. And once you fix it, the impact of this simple habit becomes much more consistent. Heart and circulation changes don't happen overnight. And they're not a sign that something is wrong. They're feedback from your vascular system. Your body responds more to small repeated habits than to occasional big efforts. This egg and garlic routine is simple, accessible, and sustainable. No extremes, no pressure. Just a steady way to support how your blood vessels, energy, and circulation work every day. Start with one meal. Repeat it consistently. And let your physiology respond the way it's designed to.